Hey there, YouTubers. I hope you can hear me with this stupid wind blowing, but anyhow, I was in Academy Sports a while back and I bought a new kayak, the Pelican Catch 100. I'll put a link to the video up here. And when I bought it, they had you got a $100 gift card with purchase, so I used that to buy this right here. And we're going to open it up and check it out. But it's a boiling pot. I'm going to take it down to Florida and use it for crabs and whatnot, and shrimp. But today I'm going to use it. It's Gail's mom's birthday, so we're going to have a big crab boil today. So get to try it out before I take it down to Florida. So let's crack this baby open and see what we got here. This was $129, $129.99 or whatever, and it actually comes with the burner, so that's a pretty good deal. Because you look at them online, and for an 80-quart pot like this, it's about that much for just the pot, where this one comes with the boiler, or the burner, I mean. So we got a little book. Got the lid. Looks like a nice sized burner. Yeah, that will be pretty nice. Pot, you got your basket in the pot. This is a heat shield. All right. That must be right. All right. I think we're about ready for some crabs, baby.
What do we got? Oh, here's the crabs. Here come the crabs. Ooh, the cream. Yummy, yummy. How long did they cook?
8 minutes. Yeah, that way. Let's see.
Let it drain for a while.
Get the frig out of the way, dude.
There we go. Woo, I think it's good.
Ready?
We gotta make sure nothing falls off. So we gotta.
You won't eat cows these days. You won't eat cows either. Just the meat on the cows these days.
You won't eat the cow.
Look at this, dude. You want a crab crunch, bro?
I think we need a little bit more.
You sure?
Trying to crab crunch, Bob?
We're going to try to keep from, Mom, catch your side there. I can't, I'm taking pictures. Oh.
We got it.
Back it up, maybe.
Just crab crunching, bro.
There you go.
Think I can do it without spilling any?
Losing sausages.
No.
No,
all right.
not the
We're good.
spuds.
Oh,
One
mushroom.
got away.
No.
Shrimp. That buffalo down there.
Hey, I'm sorry, but I got my end here, guys.
Got away.
There it is.
Ooh, how come you couldn't do that, Al?
I just missed
What
one.
is that?
No, half a mushroom.
There's a
So many potatoes, though. No mushrooms?
Well, guys, couldn't finish the video last night. By the time we got done feeding our faces, it was about dark, and I had to get up and work today. So I just wanted to say that the burner worked great. And talking, that's an 80-quart pot, 20 gallons of water. I probably had, I don't know, 14, 15 gallons of water in there. I did had 10 pounds of crab legs, about 5 pounds of shrimp, 8 pounds of potatoes, maybe, I don't know, probably 4 pounds of sausage, and then mushrooms, corn, and there was still plenty of room in that pot. I mean, you could do a lot. It took about an hour to heat that water up, but so yeah, I'd give it 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, whatever you want to call it. I like it. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe. And if there's any other outdoor products like cooking or whatever that you'd like to see a review on, just leave a comment down below and I'll see what I can do. And I'll catch you later.